issue that affects individuals, communities, and societies worldwide. It manifests in various forms such as racial discrimination, gender discrimination, religious discrimination, and discrimination based on other characteristics. Through this interview, we aim to shed light on the experiences, perspectives, and impact of discrimination on individuals and society. By sharing stories, insights, and recommendations, we hope to raise awareness, foster understanding, and promote inclusivity and equality in our communities. Through open and honest conversations, we can challenge discriminatory attitudes and behaviors, advocate for justice and equality, and create a more inclusive and tolerant society. Join us as we explore the complexities of discrimination, its consequences, and the ways in which we can work together to create a more equitable and respectful world for all. Let's welcome our guest for today's interview, Ms. Joy from CCGA.
Hi, good morning.
Can you share a personal experience where you have witnessed or experienced discrimination based on race, gender, ethnicity, religion, or any other characteristics?
Yes, I've witnessed a lot of cases of discrimination and it is really concerning. And so I personally have experienced being discriminated because of my skin color because as what you can see, I'm not that white and I cannot fathom the fact why people despise dark-skinned individual like me. And since I was a kid, experiencing being discriminated because of it, and at this age, I still encounter a lot of people giving negative remarks about how different my skin color is from my sisters.
Since you said that you personally experienced being discriminated, how did this experience impact?
Of course, discrimination creates a big impact on people experiencing it like me. And personally, I have the feeling of exclusion and low self-esteem. Instead of acceptance, what I feel is negativity, disturbance, and sense of worry because people can't acknowledge the better part within myself, and I just don't know why they despise like dark-skinned people like me.
In what ways do you believe discrimination can impact an individual's sense of identity and belonging within society?
I do believe that discrimination poses danger to those who experience being discriminated, and that's what I said earlier that discrimination, it will let the people who experience this feel that they were being excluded and that the society cannot accept of what and who they are.
Do you think education and awareness programs play a role in reducing discriminations?
Yes, by changing the people's point of view to positivity from negativity, and people will tend to understand the feeling of those who are being discriminated and will know the difference between making negative remarks and offering positive uplifting moments. And people will surely awaken about the harmful effects of discrimination and that it will teach everyone how to be helpful.
What advice would you give to someone who's facing discrimination or seeking support in dealing with discriminatory situations?
All I can say is that don't mind other voices because at the end of the day you only have yourself and it's your life, and what matters